would say all over. That we have developed a gap between the systems design, the engineering part, and the design part, this building spatial part, although they should be intrinsically related. And so I see that gap also in my own world and in practice. But I think what's important is that you try to make both sides relevant to each other and provide an opportunity for learning each other's languages. Because on one hand, the building designer, the architect needs to understand the sciences and the quantitative aspect of the design, while on the other hand, the engineer has to understand the relevance of the spatial composition. And that has been often forgotten. We know a lot of traditional buildings had to deal with passive cooling strategies. And because we have had cheap electricity and abundant energy and big systems design, we could just forget that relationship.